Yazid bin Hurmuz states that Najada, the chief of the Heroes, wrote a letter to Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu and inquired about 5 things. Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, "If I had not feared a torment for concealing knowledge, I would not have written a reply to him." Najada inquired from him, "After glorification and salutation, tell me whether Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got the women to participate in war. Did he sallallahu alaihi wasallam grant them a share in spoils? Did he sallallahu alaihi wasallam kill the children? When does the orphanhood of an orphan terminates? Whose right is the royal fifth?" In reply, Hazrat ibn Abbas radiyallahu anhu wrote, "You asked me whether Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam got the women to participate in war. The answer is, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would let the women take part in war, and they would treat the wounded. They were granted a reward from spoils, but their share was not well defined. Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would not kill the children, so you must not murder the children as well. And you asked this question in the letter that when the orphanhood of an orphan expired, by my life, some people become bearded, but they don't become aware of the etiquette of giving and taking something. And when they become capable of doing the business of life like sensible people, they will be no longer orphans. And you asked me in the letter that who deserved the royal fifth. We say, it is for us, but our people did not approve it." Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4661.